screwed up. I was gonna record a full video of me wrapping, or I should say installing the stripes on this car, but I ended up totally forgetting for most of the time. I filmed a few little parts and then got carried away with just doing the job. So there's only a few little clips, so I'm just gonna show you guys those few clips, and that's pretty much all I got for you. We'll talk about it a little bit afterwards, but enjoy. So here, now you can tell I have the back two stripes done. I think it turned out really good. I actually did. If you can see here, I have wrapped and tucked underneath this trim. So it's probably wrapped about, I'd say, just over 1/8 of an inch cast. So you will never see the seam there. And then also I went all the way around and wrapped inside there. So just something extra I do. The last person who ever did it cut it off right there. To me that looked really stupid. Same here. This looks way better, way cleaner. So now I think it's time to move on to the roof. So yeah, there you go. Let me know what you guys think of that. It's matte black, looks so good on that nice freshly polished paint. Yeah, that's about it. That's all I got for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.